Hello there, little space explorers. I'm Professor Zapnik, the most brilliant space scientist this side of the Milky Way. And today we're answering a super cool question. Why is there a full moon? First things first, what is the moon, anyway? Come on, let's take a closer look. The moon is Earth's buddy, like a best friend who never leaves, just spins around you all the time. Seriously, the moon orbits the Earth once every 27.5 days. That means it takes a little moonwalk all the way around us like a giant cosmic hula hoop. But wait, why does the moon shine? Is it a light bulb? A giant glowing marshmallow? Nope. The moon doesn't make its own light, it just reflects the light of the sun, like a big space mirror, as the moon goes around the Earth. The sun lights up different parts of it. That's why the moon looks different throughout the month. These are called the phases of the moon. There's new moon. This is the moment when we can't see the moon at all. But don't worry, it didn't disappear. The sun is lighting up the far side, and the side facing us is completely in shadow. It's like the moon is playing hide and seek. Waxing moon. The moon starts to brighten. At first, it's just a tiny sliver of light, like a slice of banana. Each night, it grows bigger and brighter. That's why we call it a waxing moon. It's growing. Half moon or first quarter. Now the moon is half bright and half dark. It looks like someone sliced it in two. This is the half moon, or more precisely, the first quarter. And the star of the show, full moon. Ta-da! This is when the moon looks like a big, bright circle. A full moon happens when the moon is directly opposite the sun, with the Earth in between. Beautiful, isn't it? The sun lights up the whole side of the moon that faces us. It looks like a giant pancake in the sky. Yum! But don't try to eat it. It's about 384, 0 kilometers away. Ever wondered why it's not always a full moon? That's because the moon is constantly on the move. It only lines up just right with the Earth and Sun once a month. That perfect moment is, you guessed it, full moon time. What happens during a full moon? Magic? Werewolves? Or science? Ha ha ha! Some people say strange things happen during a full moon. People act silly, owls throw dance parties, or werewolves howl. Aroo! But scientists know the truth. A full moon is totally normal and totally awesome. It's just physics, light, and a little cosmic teamwork. And guess what? You can see that teamwork in action right at home. Want to try your own moon magic? Grab a flashlight. That's your sun. A ball. That's your moon. And you are the Earth. Spin around and shine the light. Boom! You just made a full moon. And now, get ready for some super cool facts about the moon. Did you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Yep, about 3.8 centimeters every year. That's like a fingernail's length. The moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth. So, if Earth were a basketball, the moon would be a tennis ball. There's no wind, no air, and no weather on the moon. That's why footprints left by astronauts are still there even after 50 years. During a full moon, the moon rises exactly when the sun sets, like a perfect space switcheroo. When there's a full moon, the night is much brighter. That's why animals and even some people act a little differently. So now you know, a full moon isn't magic. It's a celestial science show. The sun's light, the moon's movement, and Earth's perfect position all come together once a month to give us that glowing beauty in the sky. See you next time, Space Cadets. Professor Zapnik is blasting off, at least until dinner. Bye-bye.